In this video, I'll show you how to change the brightness of the screen of your Fitbit Charge 6. So how to do this? Awake your watch, then swipe down until you go and see settings. Here you go, settings. Tap on it, then tap on display settings, tap on brightness, and it will switch between dim, normal, and max. Obviously, max will look the best, but it will drain your battery quite fast. So here we go. This is how you change the brightness. You have only 3 settings. You cannot fine tune this setting. You also have a few other options. If you swipe down, you have screen awake. So you can switch between auto and manual over here. In case you don't want the screen to turn on, let's say on your wrist movement, and you want to do it manually only by pressing the button, you can select, let's say, manual, and this is what will happen. If you select auto, every time you move your wrist and you look at your watch, the screen will turn on by itself. And if you go down over here, you also have screen timeout. If you go down, press got it, and you can switch between medium, long, or default. So these are the 3 different settings, and screen timeout, it just means that how much time does it take for the screen to turn off after you use it. So let's say you're using your watch and you stop touching it, how much time will the display of your watch will stay on? And this is how you can customize it. Again, only 3 different settings. And you also have the always on display feature. If you tap here, you can activate always on, which means that the display will always be on no matter what you do. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.